Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain the process of skilled worker visa for UK. I already uploaded a video on the how to get a civil engineering job in UK. Kindly have a look. For further updates, kindly subscribe my channel. So let's start. So here, our main motto is what are the steps after receiving offer letter from the company you applied. That is nothing but skilled worker visa process. So coming to that, what are the documents required? Passport is required and certificate of sponsorship, ECTIS, TB test, bank statement, and then I will show visa application and then immigration health surcharge details. So these are the main things required for skilled worker visa. So I will explain one by one. First we will go to passport. So passport is compulsory. So if your passport is going to expire within 1 year, so try to apply for renewal. That will be very good option. Otherwise, you have to do some other changes in the COS, all those things. So better renew it. Okay, if it is less than 1 year. Okay, and then always go for Tatkal option. Okay, otherwise you may get some difficulties, even I also experienced. So go for Tatkal option. That is the best thing. Okay, you will get it very quickly and then you can send it to the HR. Next, always try to apply in RPO and PSK. There are some PO PSK also there, that is like Post Office Passport Seva Kendra. So there the process is very uh, late compared to these two, RPO and PSK. So try to apply always in RPO and PSK. You will get very quickly. Uh, I'm telling very sincerely because that I faced so much difficulties uh, by applying in POPSK. So don't make that mistake. Okay, so you can go to that website and you can do existing user login or new user registration. That is very simple process. You just have to reissue the passport. Okay, and you have to surrender your old passport if you have already. Okay, so there are so many videos, you can have a look and you can do that passport process is very simple. Okay, next, certificate of sponsorship. That this is nothing but company, whatever the company you have given interview, that that will take care about this. They will provide you, once you have a passport, valid passport, you have to send the details to the HR. They will create a certificate of sponsorship and send it for review purpose. So see, and then check COS thoroughly. What you have to do, you have to thoroughly check if there are any corrections, name and surname, or else date of birth, address, anything. It should be perfect. If small mistake also, you just inform to them, they will correct it and send it. Before submitting itself, they will send it. Once it is assigned to you, we can't make changes. That is very difficult. So very be careful and check thoroughly. So once you have done that and confirm to the HR, they will send it to you the final certificate of sponsorship. Fine. It looks like this. Here you will get a details. Okay, company details and date of birth details. So many, all details will be there, and when it is going to expire. Okay, before that at least 2 months will be there. Within those 2 months you have to apply for visa, all those things. So kindly plan the plan the process accordingly, according to the date mentioned in the COS. So COS is very very important. Okay, so once you will get a certificate of sponsorship, what you have to do? Next step, ACTIS. ACTIS. It is like a different process of attaining your proof for proficiency in English. Okay, like normally we used to write TOEFL, GRE, and IELTS, right? So instead of that, in UK, if you have a master's degree or master's degree or bachelor's, you can go to this website and you can apply valid visa and proficiency English certificate. Okay, that will give you a level. Mm, in that, if you are if you are if you have done your masters in a English medium, uh, it will simply create a one certificate that is valid for the visa process. Okay, that is XT certificate. For that, you have to pay around 14,000 rupees INR, and then you need a valid degree certificate. And one more thing is medium of instruction. This is very, very important. Medium of instruction is nothing but you have to prove that I have done masters, bachelor's in English medium. So you can request it from your college. They will provide you. So that is enough. Simple, simple only. Or else in NIT Varangal or NIT Suratkal, few NITs might have direct document in the website itself. So that you can download it and you can upload it in Actis website. Here, this is visa and nationality. Here you have to click apply now, and then you have to fill the details. Okay. Once you have filled the details and you have to upload these two documents, within 10 days you will receive the certificate. Okay, that is very important for visa process. Okay, so next, once you have done the Actis, the next step is TB test. TB test is also compulsory for UK visa. There are listed hospitals, uh, in each most of the cities. Bangalore, we have two like that, and then Hyderabad also two are there. You can book online appointment, or else you can call to them directly, and they will give you within 1 week or like that. We can't get within 1 or 2 days. At least 1 week is minimum required for the appointment. So uh, once you get the appointment, what you have to carry? You have to carry the passport and then vaccination certificate, COVID vaccination certificate. So they will do the proper scanning, and around 3,000 you have to pay, and they will do the proper scanning, and they will give a valid TB test certificate. It is valid for 6 months. Okay, 6 months. So once and that doctor signature will be there, and your photo also will be there. So this is also very required document. Okay, for a visa process, skilled worker visa. Okay, next. So now coming to the visa application process. So first, what you have a valid passport and certificate of sponsorship, and then actis, and then TB test. Okay, so after that, one more thing is that bank statement. Bank statement is nothing but for skilled worker visa, you have to show some amount of savings. Okay, that is around 1.3 lakhs. Okay, 1.3 lakhs. That is just for 30 days, 1 month from the date of appointment. Means eh, before the date of appointment, you have to show that 30 days. Okay, more than 30 days also is enough. Okay, so uh, it should not be less than 1.3 lakh. Okay, so and then coming to the visa application, so we have to go to UK government.uk website, and then book appointment, and then IHS fee. Here, this is the website, main website. It includes all types of visa. Skilled worker visa, you have to create a login with your Gmail. Okay, and then you have to you can check everything here, means conditions, all those things. Yeah, normally, see, knowledge of English is for actives, and then TB test, every details is uh, clearly mentioned in this website. Okay, you can have a look in this website. So once it is done, you have to book appointment in a VFS Global, normally Hyderabad and Bangalore, uh, Delhi. There are so many centers are there. VFS, they deal with the appointment and biometric process, all those things. So if you can get it within 1 week, or else more than 1 week. Sometimes it may take, but you can no need to worry. You will get the appointment quickly. Once you have booked appointment, uh, you have before booking appointment, you have to pay the IHS also, immigration health surcharge. That cost around 1.8 lakhs. Okay, 1.8 lakhs. So total Visa application is 40,000 INR, and then appointment it will cost around 1500, I like that, and then IHS is around 1.8 lakh. So almost 2.3 lakhs is required for the entire visa process, skilled worker process. Few companies may refund you, but you need a proper those bills and emails. You should saved it in a proper way, and then you have to submit it once you reached the UK and you have joined in the company. They will refund you. Some companies directly do all this process. What you have to do, you have to share the passport details. Okay, so this is depends on the company type. Okay, and situation also. So once you have done this visa application and you have booked appointment and you have paid the IHS fee, what you have to do, you have to carry out the listed documents what I have mentioned earlier. That is passport, original passport, and then ACTIS, TB test, and then your educational certificates also. Okay, all those things you have to carry to the VFS center, and the VFS center they will scan your documents and they will take your photograph and your biometrics fingerprints also. Then they will share it to the UK. So I think normally nowadays skilled worker visa and the dependent visa taking around maximum 3 weeks. Maximum 3 weeks. Within 3 weeks, you will get a confirmation through SMS, and you will get some BRP, like uh, British residence permit. Okay, that you will get through email where you have to collect and and means which post office you have to collect that BRP. Okay, that details they will share in a letter format. Okay, in the email. Normally that you used to get in a hard copy along with visa, but nowadays they changed the format and they are sharing with uh, in a email itself. Okay, that's it guys. I hope you understood the process and all those things. If you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to help as much as I can. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.